Welcome back. You are now looking at the email notification section of the settings. And you're going to notice that you can have emails sent to you when certain things occur inside of your account. For example, when a cloud recording is available. You can also, within this submenu, have a copy sent to the person who scheduled the meeting in the first place, or you can disable this. You can have an email sent to you when attendees join the meeting before you, or you can disable this. That's not going to be practical. Whenever someone cancels a meeting, you can have an email sent out to you. You can also have an email sent out to you when there's going to be an alternative host removed from the meeting. When somebody schedules a meeting for a specific host, you can have an email sent out to you. And then whenever your cloud recording will be permanently deleted, you can have an email sent out to you. As you know, when you delete an email inside of Zoom, those emails go to a midway point before they're actually deleted, and you can make it so that you'll be notified before that email is going to be deleted. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.